Bring us the very best ground mount off-grid solar quote that you've received, and watch us blow that quote out of the water while we provide you with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand products at a price that simply can't be beat.
Neon fades as the system breaks, a fragile network starts to shake. Thunder rolls through shattered lines, silence spreads in borrowed time. Current forged where others fold, hardwired strength, relentless cold as the surface fractures ready to tear. A steady rhythm cuts through the air when the world shuts down in the dead of night. There's a source that never loses sight. Hidden core, pulling through the outage. Hidden core, power without a promise. Relentless force, awakened strong. When everything drops, it carries on. Hidden core, built for the long fight. All hours burning day and night. When the network falls and the dark takes hold, we're still alive. Hidden core.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency transformer-based inverters, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra Rack ground mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.